Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a new Instagram account. So make sure to stick till the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open the Instagram app. Tap on create new account. Here you can either sign up with your mobile number or you can sign up with your email, which I'm gonna do. Type your email address here and then tap next. It should send a confirmation code to your email address. Type the confirmation code and then press next. Create your new password here. Then tap on next. Enter your birthday here. Then next. It will then ask for your full name. Type it out and click on next. Remember that you won't get your username the first time, so keep trying adding more punctuation, adding more letters till you get your desired username. Then finally tap on I agree. After that you should have your brand new Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.